Everyone fears this one word, cancer, and that's because of the millions of lives it has taken. In fact, according to the World Health Organization, over 10 million people die every year from cancer. But what exactly does it mean when your doctor tells you you have cancer? What is really happening inside your body? Your body is made up of trillions of cells. These cells grow, divide, and die in a controlled, organized way, like a well-run city where each worker knows their role. But cancer begins when a single cell goes rogue. It starts with damage to the cell's DNA, the instruction manual that tells the cell how to behave. This damage can come from many things: radiation, chemicals, poor diet, chronic inflammation, or even inherited mutations. Normally, your body has repair systems to fix damaged DNA. But when the damage is too severe or the repair process fails, the cell can begin to malfunction. These rogue cells stop listening to internal and external signals and ignore commands to self-destruct, a process called apoptosis. When this happens, the cell forgets how to stop dividing. Instead of dying off like normal cells, it keeps multiplying uncontrollably, creating more and more damaged cells like a copy machine that won't stop. As these abnormal cells multiply, they form a mass called a tumor. Not all tumors are dangerous. Some are benign, meaning they don't spread. But malignant tumors are different. They grow aggressively and invade surrounding tissues. It's like a bad neighbor who not only takes over your yard, but starts knocking down your house. They also release chemicals that can disrupt normal cell communication and interfere with how your organs function. This is where cancer starts to drain your body from the inside. Cancer cells do 3 major things that make them dangerous. 1. They ignore signals to stop growing. Normal cells have checks and balances, but cancer cells break those rules. They also produce proteins that help them evade the immune system, making it harder for your body to detect and destroy them. 2. They create their own blood supply. This process is called angiogenesis. The tumor tricks your body into building blood vessels to feed it with oxygen and nutrients, helping it grow even faster. Some cancer-fighting therapies are designed to target and shut down this process. 3. They spread. Cancer cells can break away from the original tumor, travel through your bloodstream or lymphatic system, and form new tumors in other organs. This deadly process is called metastasis, and when cancer spreads to vital organs like the brain, liver, lungs, or bones, it becomes much harder to treat. This is why early detection can be life-saving. So what causes these DNA changes to begin with? Many things. Some are genetically passed down from your family. Others are lifestyle-based. Smoking, excessive alcohol, poor diet, chronic stress, lack of exercise, prolonged exposure to toxins or radiation. Even certain viruses like HPV and hepatitis B or environmental pollutants like air pollution can increase cancer risk. But here's the good news: you can reduce your risk. According to research, up to 50% of cancers can be prevented through healthy choices. And the American Institute for Cancer Research estimates that at least 1/3 of the most common cancers can be prevented through diet, physical activity, and maintaining a healthy weight. So the next time you hear the word cancer, remember, it's not just one disease. It's a breakdown in your body's control system. It starts silently at the level of your DNA and becomes life-threatening when those rogue cells take over, feed themselves, and spread. But also remember, you have more power than you think. The foods you eat, the lifestyle you live, and the early action you take can make all the difference. Many experts agree that prevention is our best defense. And that starts with understanding what cancer is, how it begins, and how your daily choices can stop it before it starts.